Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. So we are discussing about stock exchange, okay. So this is the common topic for every commerce and management students, you cannot ignore it. Now today we will see stock exchange functions, what are the functions, how it works. If stock exchange is not there, then imagine the position of our industries, raising the capital and recycling of the capital, proper utilization of the capital and all these things which will be very difficult. Only monopoly used to be in industries. That is why to chase this monopoly, stock exchange started giving opportunity to many companies to develop. Now let's see the functions. First one is that provides infrastructure for trading. Stock exchange is there, so this is providing opportunity, so you can do the trading. How to do the trading? Want to issue the shares? Yes, you can issue. Want to issue the debentures? Yes, you can issue. And at the same time, who's going to buy? Who's going to buy? Investors. So stock exchange is such a place that it is giving an infrastructure to both the buyers as well as who are issuing, seller and buyer together. And between the seller means exactly, if you see literally, they are the company owners, company is issuing the shares. Who is buying it here? Shareholders, okay, investors. In between them some brokers are there. We will be discussing about the brokers in the coming class. So all these people accommodating at one place, that is the infrastructure which is providing stock exchange, so that people can come, people can have trading, people can have lots of business transactions, everything is possible at this juncture. So this is providing that kind of infrastructure. In the same way, provides information regarding prices also. In stock exchange, if you see, any time during the working days, during the working hours, you can find the prices. At present, what is the price of so and so shares? Yes, you can get it. Through the online only you can get it, you need not to go to there. So anytime information, the prices information you will be getting as per the updating information. Monday to Friday, sorry, not Saturday, Monday to Friday working days for stock exchange. Saturday, Sundays, holidays. So these 2 days, anytime any company share prices you can come to know, so that you can take decisions like buying the shares, selling the shares, and which company shares should be purchased, which company shares are growing, which company shares are decreasing. Debentures, how many debentures are there, which company is issuing debentures. So types of debentures, different debentures are there, types of different shares are there, which one is best. You can take even advice of the mediators like brokers, okay. So you can have the information about these prices. Once if you know the prices, it's easy to take the decisions of buying or selling the securities. In the same way, next, it protects the investors' wealth. Stock exchange, you know, this is not simply running, this is having certain rules and regulations, and which is under the control of SEBI. Okay, so whenever an investor is getting inside of the stock exchange, purchasing securities from the stock exchange, it is securing, it is giving confidence to all the shareholders or all the investors that whatever you are purchasing, everything is true and transparent and fair, right? So that is why it is protecting the investors' wealth. I am investing, suppose say 10 lakh rupees. Whatever price they are showing it through the stock exchange, that is fair price. I can trust that. So my 10 lakh investment will be always as per the prices they are exhibiting, prices they are enlisting. So as per that it is protected. If suppose I am investing in wrong place, definitely I will be losing my money. But if I am investing in the right place, definitely my investment will be always on safe side. So that kind of protection is given by the stock exchange. In the same way, it provides liquidity. Liquidity means anytime in cash. I purchase shares from the stock exchange. I am not interested. I want money. I want to encash it. Yes, anytime you can encash it. You need not to go to the stock exchange also. Through online, there are many brokers are available. Through them you can just sell your securities. you can encash it easily. That kind of liquidity facility is also given by the stock exchange. I purchased say 10 lakh securities, but for me some emergency is there, I can sell it. No doubt at all. It's not like fixed. Anytime you can buy, anytime you can sell. So this facility, liquidity facility is given by the stock exchange. And another function is that it helps to raise new capital. Issuing new capital is possible through the stock exchange and raising new capital also. There is a company, suppose say XYZ company. They are having lots of investment, but still they wanted to extend it. They wanted to increase the company. They wanted to increase the branches, expand the business. Then they want some more funds, new capital they want. Yes, through the stock exchange you can issue more capital also through the forms of securities. Securities means debentures are shares. Okay, through that, whenever a company, existing company or a company which already unlisted in the stock exchange, so this company can issue new shares also. There is no problem at all to raise the new capital because this company is in the stock exchange. It is listed in the stock exchange. We spoke about the listing of securities, listing of the company in stock exchange, that was in the last class. If the company is listed in this stock of exchange, then they'll have lots of benefits. They can deal, they can handle everything, they can raise the funds, and we are going to discuss few more points also. So it's a prestigious thing for the organization. That is why always remember that to raise a new capital, stock exchange will be useful. And in the same way, acts as a barometer. Barometer, to find out the pressure in any hill areas, we use the barometer, how much is the pressure. So that shows ups and downs. In the same way, stock exchange is also working like a barometer. It will show us increasing, decreasing, how much it is increasing, how much it is decreasing through the graph, through the presentation. Always it is giving the right information. So that is why this stock exchange is going to work like barometer. Anyone can understand the situation and prices of the securities, whether increasing or decreasing. It is possible to know through the stock exchange. So stock exchange is working like a barometer, right? Next one is that increases credit of worthiness of company. Increases credit. Credit means it is a prestigious thing. Increases credit and worthiness of company. If a company is listed in this stock exchange, people trust it because after all verifications, after satisfying the rules and regulations only, the company is listing in the stock exchange. When any company is listed in stock exchange means it is the prestigious thing, it is a goodwill. They are having a credential because the company is listed in the stock exchange. So that is why it is going to increase the credit of worthiness of company. Automatically company value will be increasing, the prices of issuing security is also going to be increased. Somewhat they will have some credit, means that worthiness you will find it. So that is also one of the function of stock exchange. Another function is minimizes the dangers of speculation. It gives the opportunity of speculation. Next point, facilitates speculation. It is giving the facilitation of speculation. Speculation means what? I told you already, I think. Whenever the prices of the securities are increasing, we'll sell. Whenever securities prices are decreasing, we'll buy it. When it is low price, we'll buy. When it is high price, we sell it. That is called as speculation. It is giving the facility of speculation. You will come to know the prices of each and every company's securities, right? So that we have discussed already here. Informs the prices. So when you know the prices, you will have somewhat idea. If you have a little bit of experience, prices are increasing, what to do? Sell it. Prices are decreasing, purchase it. So that kind of speculation facility is giving, but at the same time, remember this point, minimize the dangers of speculation. Dangers of speculation. Some people wanted to take everything under their control. Lots of, this one is, when prices are increasing, lots of securities they are selling. When prices are decreasing, lots of securities they are purchasing it. So these people are going to have the command over this stock exchange to stop that there are some acts in the stock exchange. So they don't want to give everything monopoly of purchasing and selling to the few people who wanted to take the control of this stock exchange. So that is why this danger they are stopping it, minimizing the danger of speculation, which is harmful for the stock exchange. Whereas it is giving the facility also at the same time. It is that facility is giving because normal people, suppose say those who are living, those who are activities are especially on speculation, for them it is useful. But when it comes to danger, it is stopping it, it is minimizing it. So these are the main functions of the stock exchange. Take a screenshot or note down. Every topic I am going a little bit of depth, not only subject point of view or examination point of view. You need to have knowledge. Once if you hear my talk, you will get a clarity what is stock exchange, what are the functions, how to go for the speculation, and what are the various methods of listing securities in the stock exchange, and what is shares, debentures, all these things you will get an idea. So that is why I am going a little bit depth, but have knowledge, not only examination point of view, have knowledge. That will be always useful for you because it's your field, not for a marks purpose. You are not studying, you are studying to gain the knowledge. Remember this. There are many subjects which are already covered in our channel. Check out the playlist and don't forget to share this video because with lots of time and energy I am preparing these videos. Stay connected. Good luck.